I have been with Mark and Blaine at Wiggins and Norris. At first it was Wiggins and Norris from 2007 till about 2009 or 10. And then after that, they brought me on as a partner and have been with them ever since, doing exclusively family law. I went to the University of Tulsa, Oklahoma for my first 2 years of school, and then my husband's job brought us in this direction. So I did a visiting year for my third year of law school at UGA. I practice family law. That includes adoptions, divorces, child custody, child support, visitation, really anything involving children. So it ranges from defects in juvenile cases in juvenile court regarding deprivation of and termination of parental rights to adoptions, all kinds of adoptions. And adoption's definitely one of the joyful parts of getting to practice family law. And I do think that the judges kind of appreciate it as well, because sometimes, we deal with a lot of highly emotional, highly contested, highly frustrating situations. And a lot of times, with the adoptions that are uncontested and you're not having to go in and have a hearing to terminate parental rights, we get to go in with a completely uncontested case and smile for the pictures, and the judges are happy. So that's always nice to kind of participate in that aspect of family law. Yeah. And I always tell my clients, I don't necessarily want to be the attorney that helps people get divorced. I believe in making sure that there's justified grounds, and that we're filing for legitimate reasons, and that we aren't just willy-nilly filing a case for no reason or just because we don't like the situation or it's too hard right now. But the primary focus of the majority of the divorces that we handle are generally focused on the children. Who's going to have primary custody of the children? What are we going to do for parenting time? What are the amounts of child support? So, there's just a lot that goes into one case. So even if it's initial divorce, we're setting the foundation for any modifications and any kind of a foundation order. If it's a modification, then you're looking at a previous order and going from there and finding out what your client wants to change about it, move around, switch, why things aren't working, what's changed in circumstances, and then all the rules that apply. These are human beings coming into your office with real problems. And before they even walk in the door, there's a whole set of issues that you did not create, and it's our job to just come in and try our best to fix it and help them come to the best solution, and sometimes that results in litigating the issues because the parties can't agree on what they believe is in the child's best interest or best for them themselves.